Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to go with more JNI. I have explained you clearly what JNI is, what are the benefits that we would get out of JNI, how the native language can be used alongside Java when you use JNI, all these in the previous session very clearly. In this session, we are going to go practical and we will start installation of the necessary components to use JNI, to deploy things with JNI. And this session is going to give you the prerequisites clearly addressed. Followed by that, we will go with practical implementation. Well, what are the things that you need? You need Eclipse. The latest version is preferred. I'll show you how do you check the version details shortly. You need to have the latest JDK, but above Java 8, anything is fine. I prefer personally the latest JDK version, and the GCC compiler requirement is there. For that, you can go with MinGW, which is nothing but minimalist GNU for Windows, or you can even go with Cygwin. Choose the right version. I have a 64-bit machine with me, so I have chosen MinGW 64-bit. This is the complete toolchain for the native language development, and you have to use one of these. And CDT plugin is also important for you to go ahead with, and all these will be shown right now to you in a much easier way so that you can understand how exactly you can check it up in your machine. Now the first thing that we are going to do is to check if you are having the latest version of your Eclipse. You can go ahead to help, and there you have about Eclipse IDE option. You can check which version you have installed. So this is the first step. I told you if you have already installed GCC, which means we need GCC support here. You can check if you have already installed it by using the command gcc space hyphen hyphen version. It will tell you if you have already installed anything. If not, you will have to go ahead with the MinGW or the Cygwin option that I told you. If you have already installed it, it will be very clearly visible here when you are trying this command. I have installed the MinGW 64 version, 64-bit version, and that's what you are seeing right now. Well, this is done. What next? The next thing is to go ahead and install MinGW if you have not installed it already. Just go to Google and type MinGW 64-bit download and the SourceForge link, the second link that I am scrolling right now. This is the best way to download the MinGW, and that's a simple exe file which you can download and install within seconds. You install it, 95% of your work is done, and you can see that the installation can be done after downloading this installation file. This is very easy to do. Well, what next? The next thing is to go ahead and check if you have installed the proper CDT content. As I already told you, this is one of the very important steps that we need to do. You need to go ahead with installation of CDT plugin, where you can find it out from the Eclipse marketplace. You need to type CDT. In the find option, you need to type CDT and it will list the latest version available there, and you can click install. I am typing CDT there, and you could find immediately within few seconds what are the available options over there, and it will present you with Eclipse C/C++ IDE CDT 10.7. I've already installed it. If you have not installed it already, you need to install it now by clicking the install button, and you can get this done in few minutes time frame. That's all. All the prerequisites are met. You can go ahead and now code with JNI. Welcome to JNI, and it's easy. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.